Hi, and welcome to the RE/MAX Hallmark March 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Despite the marginal weather, March sales once again broke new records in several categories, and appreciation hit a new year-over-year record. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 16% for March compared to last year, with 10,326 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 25% above the last 16-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a 32.6% share of the market, with 3,362 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is about average for March. The March average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $688,181, a significant 12.1% higher than last year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 35% decline in inventory for the month of March, compared to historical numbers, and lower by 21% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In March, that ratio finished at 85.1%, up 27% from last year's result and the highest I've seen for any month ever. We're now into an extreme seller market territory, and the spring market still has 2+ months to go. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 16. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for March was just above $471,300. That average moved up 9.3% from the same time last year. With 497 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 40% compared to 2015. There were 1,164 active listings on the market in March, 9% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 42.7%, which put CO1 into busy seller territory. The average days on market came in at 25, 4 days faster than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for March was just over $473,500. That number was up 8% compared to 2015. And with 149 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down just marginally from last year. There were 287 active listings on the market in March, down 23% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 51.9% for the month. That number puts CO8 solidly into very busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 21, 10 days faster than last month. Once again, there were several best evers in the month. The average sale price for March was the highest ever for any month. Overall sales were the second highest and were only exceeded slightly by March of 2010. The ratio of sales to listings was the highest ever seen for the overall Treb market and also for the 2 downtown condo districts this report tracks. The market seems to be taking to the condo lifestyle as townhouse and high-rise sales hit their highest number ever. The average sale price year-to-date in both Treb overall and in the downtown condo districts of CO1 and CO8 were the highest ever seen as well, an amazing month overall. This month we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board chart for the average resale home price. As you can see from the chart, the monthly average for January, February, and March of this year has taken a big leap from past years. Interesting to note, though, that the March average sale price was just $3,000 more than the February number. Does this mean that we're reaching a peak figure that the market can afford or sustain? We'll know the answer to that in the next month or two. What is clear, though, is there's an incredible buyer demand out there with limited supply. If that remains the same through April and May, I think we'll see that number increase further. So what's the best way to make your first baby step into the Toronto or GTA real estate market? Make a call or send an email to your favorite RE/MAX Hallmark professional and set up a conversation over a coffee to discuss what your buying or selling options going forward might be. Remember to check back here in early May for our April 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.